Kobe Bryant was a very famous basketball player. He was born on August 23rd, 1978 in Philadelphia, USA. He played for the Los Angeles Lakers in the NBA. He won 5 NBA championships. He also won 2 Olympic gold medals. Kobe was not only a great player, he was also a hard worker, a kind person, and a good father. Many people around the world loved him. Kobe Bryant was a little boy with a big dream. He wanted to be a basketball player. He did not just want to play for fun. He wanted to be the best. He wanted to be a champion. Kobe was born in a city called Philadelphia in the United States. His birthday was August 23rd, 1978. He lived with his mother, his father, and his 2 sisters. His family loved him very much. Kobe's father was also a basketball player. His name was Joe Bryant. People called him Jelly Bean. Joe played basketball in the NBA, the top basketball league in America. Later, he played in Italy. When Kobe was 6 years old, his family moved to Italy. His father played basketball there. Kobe went to school in Italy. He learned to speak Italian. He also learned Spanish. Kobe was a smart boy who liked learning. In Italy, Kobe played soccer. He liked it, but he loved basketball more. He practiced every day. He watched his father play. He learned by watching and listening. He was very focused. Even when he was small, Kobe knew what he wanted. He wanted to play basketball like his dad. But more than that, he wanted to be even better. When Kobe was 13, his family moved back to the United States. Kobe was happy. Now he could play basketball with more kids. In America, basketball was very big. There were good schools for basketball. There were many games and strong teams. At school, Kobe practiced basketball every day. He woke up early and went to the gym. He shot the ball again and again. He worked on dribbling, passing, and defense. While other kids were sleeping, Kobe was practicing. People started to see that Kobe was different. He was not just talented, he worked harder than anyone. He didn't stop. He always wanted to be better. When he was in high school, Kobe became one of the best young basketball players in the country. He scored many points. He won many games. Everyone talked about him. They said, Kobe is going to be a star. In 1996, something amazing happened. Kobe finished high school and went directly to the NBA. Most players go to college first. But Kobe was ready. He was only 17 years old. He was one of the youngest players in NBA history. He joined the Los Angeles Lakers. This was a dream come true. He wore a yellow and purple uniform. He played in big stadiums. The crowd cheered. Cameras flashed. Music played. Kobe was no longer a boy. He was now a pro. At first, things were not easy. Kobe was young. He was playing with older, stronger men. He made mistakes. He did not play many minutes. Sometimes he felt nervous. But Kobe did not give up. He remembered his dream. He remembered all the hard work. He told himself, I can do this. I will work harder. I will learn. He stayed in the gym after practice. He watched videos of great players. He listened to his coaches. He learned from every game. Step by step, Kobe got better. He became stronger. He played faster. He shot the ball with more power and more skill. The fans saw it. His team saw it. Kobe was becoming a star. Soon he was one of the best players on the team. He started to score many points. He jumped high. He passed the ball fast. He played hard in every game. People loved to watch him play. He was exciting. He was smart. He gave everything on the court. Kobe's journey had just begun, but already he was inspiring many people. Kobe worked hard every day. He wanted to be the best. He stayed in the gym before and after practice. He shot hundreds of balls. He ran, jumped, and learned. In his second year with the Los Angeles Lakers, Kobe started to play more. He showed his skills. He could shoot, pass, and move fast. The crowd loved him. He became a fan favorite. Kobe played with other great players like Shaquille O'Neal. Together, they made a strong team. They played in the NBA Finals, the biggest games of the year. The Lakers won the championship in 2000. Kobe was only 21 years old. It was a big moment. Kobe had a trophy in his hands. He smiled, but he did not stop working. He wanted more. He wanted to win again and again. In 2001 and 2002, the Lakers won two more championships. That made three in a row. Kobe was a big reason why. He played with passion. He never gave up. He was a champion now, but he still trained like he was the new kid. People around the world started to know his name. Kids wanted to be like Kobe. They wore his jersey. They copied his moves. He became a hero, but life was not always easy. Kobe had problems too. He had injuries. He had fights with teammates. He made mistakes, but he learned from them. He stayed focused. Kobe once said, "Everything negative, pressure, challenges, is all an opportunity to rise." He never stopped growing. He kept getting better year after year. Kobe wanted to be more than great. He wanted to be the best. He started to call himself the Black Mamba. A mamba is a fast, strong snake. Kobe chose this name to show his style, quick, focused, and deadly on the court. He trained harder than ever. He woke up early. He practiced for hours. He always looked for ways to improve. He called this the Mamba mentality. It means always trying to be better than yesterday. Kobe once said, "I want to be the best version of myself." After winning three championships with Shaquille O'Neal, the two players had problems. They didn't always agree. In 2004, Shaq left the Lakers. Now Kobe was the leader of the team. This was a big test. Could Kobe win without Shaq? Kobe worked even harder. He played with heart and fire. In 2006, he scored 81 points in one game, the second highest score in NBA history. People could not believe it. That game showed the world just how special Kobe was. Kobe didn't win a championship again for a few years, but he kept trying. He never gave up. He led his team, helped young players, and gave his all in every game. In 2009 and 2010, Kobe and the Lakers won two more championships. Now he had 5 NBA titles. He was called one of the greatest players of all time. Kobe smiled and said, "This is why I work so hard, for moments like this." But even when he was on top, he stayed humble. He kept practicing. He knew that hard work never ends. Kobe played many years in the NBA. He gave everything to the game. He played through pain. He played when he was tired. He always gave 100%. But basketball is hard on the body. As Kobe got older, he started to get more injuries. His legs and knees hurt. His body needed more time to rest. In 2013, something very serious happened. Kobe tore his Achilles tendon, a strong band in the back of the ankle. It helps you walk and run. Many players cannot return after this injury. Kobe was in great pain, but he did not cry. He stood up and walked to the free throw line. He made two shots. Then he left the court. The fans stood and clapped. They knew this was a moment of courage. Kobe worked hard to come back. He went to therapy every day. He lifted weights. He learned to walk again. It was a slow and painful process, but he did not give up. He said, "If you love something, you never quit." Kobe came back to the court, but he was not the same. He still played well, but his body was slower. He had more injuries. He knew his time in basketball was ending. In 2015, Kobe wrote a letter called "Dear Basketball." It was a goodbye to the game he loved. He said thank you to basketball. He talked about being a little boy with big dreams. The letter was full of love and emotion. In 2016, Kobe played his final season. Everywhere he went, fans cheered for him. They thanked him. They gave him gifts. It was called the Kobe Farewell Tour. In his last game, something magical happened. Kobe scored 60 points, more than any other player that night. The crowd shouted. His teammates smiled. Even his old opponent stood up and clapped. It was a perfect goodbye. Kobe said, "Mamba out," and waved to the fans. His playing days were over, but his story was not. After he stopped playing basketball, Kobe did not rest. He started a new life. He wanted to help others. He wanted to create. He wanted to inspire young people. Kobe became a writer and storyteller. He started a company to make books, movies, and short films. His goal was to tell stories that teach hard work, courage, and dreams. In 2018, Kobe won an Oscar for a short movie called Dear Basketball. The movie was based on the letter he wrote to say goodbye to the game. It showed pictures and words. It showed his love for basketball. When he won, Kobe smiled and said, "As basketball players, we're told to just dribble and shut up. I'm glad we can do more than that." Kobe also spent time with his family. He had 4 daughters with his wife, Vanessa. He loved being a father. He called his daughter Gianna, or Gigi, his basketball partner. She wanted to play like him. They watched games together. He taught her how to shoot and pass. Kobe said, "Being a girl dad is the best thing in the world." He started a basketball academy for young players. It was called the Mamba Sports Academy. He coached Gigi's team. He taught the kids about discipline, respect, and hard work. He smiled a lot when he was with them. Kobe also wrote books for children. His stories were about young athletes who used their minds and hearts to win. He wanted kids to know, you can dream big. You can do great things. Even after basketball, Kobe was still teaching. He was still helping others grow. On January 26th, 2020, something very sad happened. Kobe Bryant, his daughter Gianna, and 7 other people were flying in a helicopter. They were going to a basketball game. It was a foggy morning. The helicopter crashed into a hill. No one survived. Kobe was only 41 years old. Gianna was just 13. The news shocked the world. People cried. Fans couldn't believe it. It was a very dark day. Millions of people felt sad together. They lit candles. They brought flowers. They wore Kobe's jersey. In front of the Staples Center in Los Angeles, thousands of fans came to say goodbye. They brought signs and photos. They prayed. They remembered all the good that Kobe did. Basketball games stopped for a moment of silence. Players cried. Some wrote Kobe's name on their shoes. Others made 24-second violations. 24 was one of Kobe's jersey numbers to honor him. A few weeks later, a big event was held called A Celebration of Life for Kobe and Gianna. Many people spoke, players, coaches, and friends. Kobe's wife Vanessa gave a brave, emotional speech. She spoke about her love for Kobe and Gigi. Everyone listened in silence. Even though Kobe was gone, his spirit stayed alive. People remembered his hard work, his love for his family, and his big heart. His fans said, "Heroes come and go, but legends live forever." Kobe Bryant is not here anymore, but his story still lives. His life still teaches people around the world. His words, his actions, and his love continue to inspire. Kobe showed us that dreams are possible. He was a young boy who worked hard every day. He became one of the best basketball players in the world. He proved that with hard work, focus, and heart, you can do anything. People call his way of thinking the Mamba mentality. This means never give up, always try to be better, stay strong in hard times, keep learning. help others grow. Kobe didn't just play basketball, he became a teacher, leader, and storyteller. He used his success to give back. He built programs for kids. He wrote books. He coached young players with care. He shared his knowledge with love. Many young athletes today say, Kobe taught me to believe in myself. They watched him. They learned from him. They still follow his example. Kobe's wife, Vanessa, and his daughters continue his good work. They help people, support young girls in sports, and share Kobe's message with the world. At schools, gyms, and homes, you can still hear his voice in people's hearts. If you fall, get up. If it's hard, work harder. Be kind, be brave, be strong. Love your family, give your best. Kobe Bryant is not only remembered for his points, his championships, or his trophies, he is remembered for his spirit, a spirit of strength, love, and never-ending effort. He once said, the most important thing is to try to inspire people so they can be great in whatever they want to do. And he did. Kobe's story is a gift. It teaches us to dream big, to work hard, and to never stop believing. Thank you, Kobe. We will never forget you.